We do a variety of projects at Chipembele. One of them is rearing orphaned animals and rehabilitating them to the wild. Over the years we've reared a number of different species: warthogs, monkeys, baboons, different species of antelope, a few elephants we've had for short periods of time. Yeah, a variety of species, and they've all been returned to the wild. That's all with the permission of ZAWA as well. My husband Steve is also an honorary wildlife police officer, so he gets involved in anti-poaching work and protection of the forest. He's an honorary forestry officer. So the two, we think, wildlife protection as well as education go hand in hand, and we very much believe that one must go alongside the other, and one is totally is ineffective without the other.